Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baik, welcome everyone. Uh, Welcome to my channel. Now we continue the Procom 1 class, and we now in module 5. That's numerical integration method. Uh, so first we consider why we use this method. We use the numerical method because in the common integral, or analytical integral, we sometimes cannot calculating the certain function. Okay, not every function can be calculated. Function can be calculated with the common method, common integral. Common integral is usually in the mathematics we have to write with pen and paper, but in certain function we cannot calculating the value, so we have to use the numerical method. Okay, we next into the formula. This is the two formulas for trapezoidal method and Simpson method. And the Simpson method is more precise than trapezoidal. Okay, because in the Simpson method calculating calculating the value with the more complex equation, as you see here. This is more complex, right? Than the trapezoidal. We memorize a little bit about the trapezoidal method. Trapezoidal method, for example, we have this is x and this is y, and this we have this integral function like this. Okay, in the trapezoidal method, we calculating like this. That's make the trapezium form like this. Oh, sorry, like this, then this, then this. Ah, in the sorry for the bad image, but uh, as you can see in the PPT in numerical method, yes, we have the gap between the actual value and our estimating value. Okay, this is the gap. This is in the trapezoidal, but in the Simpsons we calculated this better than the trapezoidal. Okay, minimize the gap. Okay, we next. That's the theory for this module. Then we next. This is the algorithm for trapezoidal. This is the algorithm. Maybe we explain this in the code for the clear explanation. Okay, this is we have the loop. We have the loop. We have the loop. Okay, and this is the equation. Equation. the equation for trapezoidal, uh, as we see in the theory, this equation we put into the code. Okay, This- and then this is the Simpson's algorithm. Uh, is quite same with the trapezoidal. We have loop also. Okay, and then this is the equation. The difference is maybe we have the this is the if if conditional sign, if conditional sign. Yes, this is the false, this is the true. Okay, true, this is the false, salah is false, not musalah. The false. Okay, we next looking to the code. Next. Okay, this is the problem one. Problem one, as we see. Excuse me. Okay. We have the equation for this, the integral equation. Then we use the trapezoidal method and the Simpson, and this is the what we name it, delta x. Okay. Um, we look into the code. This is the code, and this is the x0 is the bottom value of the integral, as we see in the equation. The bottom value is this 0, and then the top is 4, right? Where? Oh, this. Okay, this is the bottom value, bottom value. And the next is the top, top value. Top value is xn, then this is the delta x, delta x. Then this the n is the number of step. The number of step is the top value minus the bottom value. Then we divide with the delta x. Then we have the number of step. And this is the function, bottom function. This bottom value we put into the function. Then we have the bottom function. Bottom function. And this is the top function. Top function. And the bottom, and this is the function. This ff function ff is this. Okay, is the ff. Then the f is blah blah blah. The blah 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 is the integral function. Okay, integral function. uh, which which function we put into this code, this function. Okay, just in the square, 1 minus e power of minus x, put that into this blah blah blah. Okay, that's the function. Then we have sum, and we have this value. Then don't forget to, yes, to consider this function also. Then you just have to replacing the blah 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 into your value. Okay, this blah 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 blah, and the function is this blah blah blah. Okay, that's the trapezoidal. Then we solve also with the Simpson method. The Simpson method is this. Is the same with the trapezoidal, right? This is the bottom bottom value, and then this is the top value. Top value. This is the delta x. Delta x is the number of step num of that. This is the bottom function. Bottom function. Okay. This is the top function. This is the top function, and this is the sum one, sum two. You you don't have to understand precisely about the sum one, sum two. Just write like this, and if you want, you replacing this into the another variable because of you cannot be the same with your friend, right? But this code is you just copy this code for your work, then you just have to replacing this blah 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 and the function blah 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 function this also. Okay, uh, maybe that's enough for the problem one. Then the problem two, we have the quiet same problem. You you just have to put the this number value into the equation, and then yes, this is the integral equation, but you don't have to process those all of this, just this in the square. Just calculate this because of just this part. You can calculate with integral. Just integral. The integral is this. This is not integral, right? But this is the integral. This part is integral. And don't forget this JP per R is substitution with this. Okay. Now, in your integral function, you put this function into the integral function in the code function, integral function, integral function. Just put this into the function this. Okay. And then if you done with the integral value, then you times that integral value with m and r, then the final value is this delta h. Okay. You have to be consider this project is have many variation of the delta t, then delta t the delta t, delta t is 0 0.1 and 0.01. This is in trapezoidal, then the Simpson also. And you have to calculate many times, four times, right? This one, this one, this one, this one. The each of this value is must be quite same, usually like that. Okay, that's for the module 5. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.